Hey there guys, it's Paul Archer from dronesby.com, and a few days ago I was trying to film some footage for a client at a rafting competition. And I got attacked by bees. And lots of them. I noticed that soon, but I really thought they were flies or something. It seems bees are attracted by the noise of the drone, and they had nests nearby. At a certain point, seeing that I couldn't lose them, I tried landing, then, later, taking off again. But then, they came again attacking me and it finally turned into a massacre, as you can see. Dead bees everywhere. And this is pretty much how the drone looked after. A gruesome look of split bee guts, but it seems the drone was absolutely fine and had no problems after I cleaned it. So if you're interested in getting this badass drone, called the DJ Mavic, use the link in the description to get the best price on the market. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more cool content.